Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Wantable unboxing, and I believe this is my style edit, so pretty excited to dive into this. If you saw my last Wantable video, you probably saw just how disappointed I was with that box, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this one makes up for it. I feel like my style edit has been doing pretty good recently, so let's see what we got. As I'm opening this up, I did want to say, if you're unfamiliar with Wantable, they are a styling service. You can get it as a subscription, you can get it as you need it box. I think that's what I have it set up as. They do have different edits. They have a style edit, a active edit, and a sleep and body edit for women. And then they do have an active edit for men, and that does have some normal clothes as well that aren't active wear. I really do like Wantable. Sometimes they've been not so great, but recently they've been pretty good, with the exception of last box. So let's see how this goes. You do pay a $20 styling fee, and anything that you like from the box that you purchase, that will get credited to you. When you first open it, this is what it looks like. We have our Styled for Ellie thing right on the top. Let me pull this out. Okay, so this is the stack that I have all wrapped up nicely in some tissue paper. We do have a card on here, and this is some information from your stylist, as well as the items and the prices. I'm not going to look at the prices, but I did send a little message to my stylist. So I said that I'd love some dresses and some unique tops. I don't need pants or jeans, which I really don't. I have lots of pants and lots of jeans, and I just don't need any more. So I'm excited to see what they sent me. And then you do get a return envelope to send back anything you don't like, don't want. But the first thing I'm noticing on here is a little tiny bag. This usually has jewelry or an accessory in it. Ooh, looks like we got some earrings. Okay, these are from Tish Jewelry, I believe. And this is what they look like. Sorry, I cannot hold that up. These are pretty. They're kind of like a tortoise shell. I like these. I don't have anything quite like this. So these are really pretty. Ooh, this is a fun print. Okay, this looks, I'm hoping this is a dress because this is fun. It's really long. Oh my goodness. Okay, it is a dress. This is from Easel, I believe. Cursive's kind of hard to read. And it's kind of like smocked here, and then does have some more like balloon sleeves. This is such a pretty floral print. I feel like you could wear this year round too. Has some colors for spring, some colors for fall. I am really excited to try this on. Does look like it's either a midi or a maxi dress. I'm not sure, but I'm excited to try that on. Feels really, really high quality too. So that's pretty cool. I know what this is. I'm way too excited for this. I actually think I requested this. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is so funny. If you're not a fan of profanities, you're not going to be a fan of this, but this is from the brand Recycled Karma, and this is so funny to me. I love this. This might be a treat to myself because it's so cute. Okay, and it's super soft too. I love sweatshirts. I pretty much wear sweatshirts every single day, so I know I would get a ton of use out of this, and it's so unique and funny. Okay, well, I'm gonna try it on, but let's be honest, I'm really hyped about it, so I feel like I'll probably end up getting it. Ooh, we have something very, very soft. Very, very soft. This is from 78 and Sunny. Another sweatshirt. Ooh, this one says, "Oh my gourd." Okay, that's pretty cute. Very fall, kind of confused because it's February, but you know, I'm not complaining. It's incredibly soft, like I said. So love that. It does look like it's a little see-through, which is not my favorite, but we'll try it on and see just how bad it is. Ooh, this is a fun material. Okay, this is from Thread and Supply, and this just looks to be kind of a boxy sweater. It's showing up black on camera, but it's definitely like a dark brown. I'm already noticing it's picking up a ton of lint, which is not a deal breaker for me, but just something to make note of. quality on this one is awesome. I really, really love this. So that's pretty exciting. Ooh, just got caught in the tag. Really, really like that one so far. And then we have a sweatshirt. This is also from Thread and Supply. They love Thread and Supply. And this is kind of a beige hoodie. Very beachy with this kind of like V-neck and how flowy it is. It's really soft. I'm not sure I love the color on my skin tone. We're gonna see what it looks like, but it is really, really soft. So I would definitely get use out of that too. Lastly, we have something from Vanilla Bay. It's looks like a t-shirt dress. Oh, there's like some ruching. This isn't my thing. I don't really like things that are bodycon. And I also am not a fan of light gray. It just shows sweat. Okay, well, so far there's only one item that I don't love. So I'm pretty excited to try this stuff on. Let me flip the camera around and we will do that. Okay, so I first threw on this Oh My Gourd sweatshirt. I'm just wearing the jeans that I've been wearing all day, and these are actually from Wantable as well. I do really like them. These are some Vagos jeans. This is kind of how I would style this sweatshirt. I think this is pretty cute. I love how it drapes and flows. I feel like the sleeve length is perfect for me. I really like it. I'm honestly not a huge fan of the Oh My Gourd saying. It's not something that I like personally really love, but I do think it's cute. I like this. I mean, depending on the price, I feel like this is certainly something I would consider. It's very cozy. I did say it is see-through, but it's not too bad. I am just wearing a nude bra, and you can see it like a little bit, but not enough to bother me, and in all likelihood, I'd probably be wearing something underneath this anyways. So this is a contender. All right, then we have this sweatshirt. I don't know how I feel about the color on me. I feel like it's just not super flattering with my skin tone. Size-wise, I think this is just too big. It's probably one size too large, but not to where it looks like cute and oversized. It just looks too big. If I tried to like tuck it in, it gets a little bit cuter, but I still feel like it would look better if I sized down one. Just because it's so long and baggy, and I don't know. Still don't really love the color, so I think this one's gonna be a no, but I might see if they have it in another color and maybe go down to a medium, because it's really cozy. So interesting. Not bad, not great. Next, we have this brown sweater. I love this. I really, really love this. I love the length of it. It's kind of cropped, but not too cropped. So you could still kind of like half tuck it in. It's so cozy. It's just such a nice material. It's thin, so it's not too hot. I do live in California, so I definitely don't get super, super cold weather, but I am always cold. So I like having something that gives me the ability to dress for cold weather without having to be too hot. I really, really like this one. I'm interested to see the wash instructions on it because it does feel like it would be something I'd have to dry clean, which would be a no from me. But otherwise, I really like this. I'm definitely considering this one. And I actually don't have a lot of this really pretty dark chocolate brown, but I love it. So I'm pretty excited for this one. Okay, then we have this sweatshirt. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is amazing. I love this so much. I am a little bit iffy about whether or not I would size down or maybe size up. I don't know if I like this size specifically, or maybe I do. I don't know. I'll have to try it on with leggings later and see if I like it that way more, because I just don't think I'd wear this one with jeans, but that's fine. I don't like wearing jeans anyways. I love this. It's so cozy. It's also not too thick, which I appreciate. Like I was saying last time, I feel like I like things that are a little bit thinner. It's really cozy, and I think it's just really funny. So I don't have anything quite like this, and I feel like I need it. So this is probably gonna be a yes, but I might go a size up. Okay, next up we have this gray dress, which like I said is already a no. short sleeves like this are not my thing, and just bodycon is not me. This is what it looks like. I feel like it makes my booty look good, but the rest of me does not feel super comfortable in it. It's soft, I'll give it that. I feel like lengthwise it's also not horrible, but I just know I wouldn't wear this. I don't really have an occasion for this. I feel like if you worked in an office, this would be really nice with a nice blazer. But for me, it's just a no. Like, it's not horrible, but yeah, this is just a no for me. But it's not bad, it's just not for me, you know? Lastly, we have this beautiful dress. I'm obsessed with this one. I'm a little nervous to see how much it is because I can tell the quality is so nice, but I love it, so I feel like the price may not be a factor. The pattern is so beautiful, the fabric quality is amazing, and I feel like it fits me decently well. It does have pockets, which is awesome, and it just flows and falls really, really nicely all over. It just makes me feel very regal and pretty, and I really like it. So I might have to see if they have it in medium, just because I feel like this is a little bit big and I am in the process of losing a little bit of weight. So I feel like I might want to size down just so I can wear this for the rest of my life. But I really like this and I don't have anything quite like it. So this is a win. I kind of don't want to take it off. I kind of just want to like run down my street and like prance and be like, I feel beautiful today, which is exactly what I want. So cool, let's recap. Okay, so I decided not to take this dress off because I really like it. I definitely think I'm going to size down just because as I'm sitting and noticing the sleeves falling off, it's kind of bothering me. I am nervous for the price, but let's go ahead and see what we have. Let's start with this dress. So this is the floral printed maxi dress. Oh, this is actually in a medium, so I would have to go down to a small. Interesting, that's kind of surprising. So sizing is a little bit weird here. And this is $68. So definitely on the pricier side, but it's so nice and so high quality that I feel like it could be worth it. So if they have it in a small, I might try that out. Then we have this Oh My Gourd sweatshirt, and this is $69. I think that's just gonna be a no for me. I don't love it enough to have it for $69, so this is gonna be a pass. Then we have this sweatshirt. This is the JC pullover in pecan. This is $61. I feel like quality-wise, it's definitely worth $61. That's kind of a weird smell. Not sure what's up with that, but okay. Like I said, I feel like the color is just not very flattering on me, and I'd have to go size down. This is a size large, so I'd have to go down to a medium in this and in another color, but if they have that, it's a contender. Then we have the gray dress. This is the ruched tulip hem dress in gray. This is in a medium, and this is $64. I mean, it is nice. It's just not for me. I feel like it is nice quality. The color is just not my thing, and the shape is also not really my thing. Then we have this sweater that I loved. This is the Calvin thermal top in dark chocolate. I guess it is a true thermal. It feels a little bit closer to a knit sweater, but I really do like it. And this is $55. I definitely think it's worth $55. Let's see what the wash instructions are on here. Dry clean only. Heartbreaking. Honestly, heartbreaking, because I totally would have gotten this. I just know myself. I'm not gonna go to the dry cleaner. It's just not gonna happen. So fortunately, this is gonna be a no, which is so sad. It's just, I won't dry clean anything. And I do think I put that on my profile. I'm pretty sure. I'll have to check, but I'm pretty sure I did put it on there that I will not be dry cleaning anything. So that's a little sad. I'm a little sad about that one. And then lastly, we have this beauty, and this is $69. So I am debating between this incredible dress and this sweatshirt, and I really do not know. I would love to hear your thoughts. Oh, I also forgot. These earrings are $30. So these are pretty good. I really do like these. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look and see if they have the sweatshirt in a size up and the dress in a size down, and that might be my deciding factor. I do have to say this Wantable box really did redeem from last time, so that's pretty good. If you want to try Wantable out for yourself, definitely use my link, and that will save you some money off of your first purchase. I really liked this box. My stylist, which was Veronica, did such a good job making my decisions so hard and making my bank account hurt. Ouch, but that's okay. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I would love to hear your thoughts about what you think about all of these pieces and what you think I should buy between the dress and the sweatshirt. Or if there's something else that you think that looks really good on me that I'm missing, let me know. I'm really happy with it, and I'm excited to see what my next Wantable box looks like. If you would like to see that as well, definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on that upload. I really appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. In the meantime, hope you have a killer day. Bye!